Step into the world of precision and innovation with Geodesign barriers, where we transform high-quality Swedish steel into premier flood defense solutions. Constructed from the finest Swedish steel by SSAB, our flood barriers embody a legacy of industrial innovation and a shared commitment to a greener planet. This collaboration highlights our dedication to crafting products that are not just strong and long-lasting, but also environmentally responsible. Our barriers are manufactured in specialized facilities located in Västervik, Sweden. In these advanced facilities, our steel undergoes a meticulous transformation. State-of-the-art machines cut and punch with precision, and sophisticated robotic arms from ABB bend the sheets, seamlessly moving them through the production line. This high level of automation and craftsmanship is evident in most of the steps of the manufacturing process. However, our skilled professionals play a crucial role in assembling the various components of our barriers, adhering to stringent quality standards. Quality checks and performance tests are conducted on each assembled support to ensure its structural integrity and reliability, which is then marked with a unique ID, affirming our commitment to stringent audits and adherence to FM approval and BSI kite mark standards. Finally, the assembled supports are organized into specially designed metal cages for transport and storage. This careful handling and preparation showcase our commitment to delivering products that are not only effective in flood defense, but also embody our dedication to quality and durability. Holding to the high standards set by FM approval and BSI kite mark, and further supported by ISO certifications 14001 and 9001, our operations are a testament to our unwavering commitment to minimizing waste and enhancing recycling and reuse practices. After passing our quality checks, our flood barriers are efficiently packed and loaded onto trucks at our facilities, ensuring they're well prepared for delivery. This step guarantees that our barriers arrive safely and ready to serve as reliable defenses against floods. As these shipments depart, we reinforce our dedication to delivering not just barriers, but a promise of safety and environmental stewardship. Geodesign Barriers stands committed to offering top-tier flood protection. Thank you for your interest and trust in our mission.